just been unboxing for you for the last 20 minutes, going through this box, and instead of pressing video record I pressed photograph. So I got a nice photograph of me standing here, and it's all open now. So let me turn the plan over so you can't see it, and then we'll go through the box again. At least this time I know what's in it. Wally, what a Wally you are, Cliff. In my excitement of looking in the box, never mind, here we go. Here's the box. Okay, it is the Tony Ray DH82 Tiger Moth, 1.5 meter wingspan, that's 59 inches, and it's Tony's latest design. It's laser cut, it's designed for 4-stroke or electric. This is the electric kit. I think the 4-stroke kit is slightly different. It's not released yet, but it's very close to be released. Let's have a look in the box again. Before I look in the box again, I may as well show you this. It's a rather nice cowling, quite thick material. I don't know what the material is. It's nicely detailed with the little catches on and what have you. So I don't know what the material is. It's sort of a plastic, but it's got a sort of a rough matte feel to it. Very nice, all the same. So that's the cowling. Now this kit has been supplied to me to build as a review model. So I'm going to stick to the assembly instructions, which are online, which I've got to download yet. But let's have another look back in the box. Well, you haven't seen in there yet. So this little box here, bag rather, of aluminium and turned steel tubings, all with little holes drilled in them and what have you, which is very nice. That's probably the Cobain struts, I would think, and undercarriage legs. This caught my eye as soon as I opened the box. Look at that. Screws, nuts, bolts, hinges, little brass hinges are there for the opening doors, and the hatch at the back. The bolts get increasingly smaller, little machine screws. They look about 5 millimeters long. Yeah, there's a lot of pieces in there. I wonder if there's going to be any bits left over, or whether every bit's going to be used. This was an interesting bag. This contains some aluminium paneling, I guess, for the side doors and inspection hatch. Wheels, plastic for that'll go in front of the instruments, glazing for the windshields, closed loop controls, fairings, hatches, bit of leather cloth for the cockpits around. So that's nice. Let me show you this. Quite heavy aluminium sheet, all cut out with all the brackets that I'll need to fit the wings, and even down to the aluminium windscreen frame surrounds. That's detail. That's fantastic. Some little cards. Pack of balsa. You've got your instrument bezels to go in front of the cockpits to bring them up 3D. So you put your clear plastic in front of that and your bezels. So that's nice. We've got some strip wood. Looks nice and straight, and some piano wire in there. Main spar material, I'm guessing. No, leading and trailing edge maybe. There's your main spar material, ply, and then lots of 1/8 and 3/32 balsa sheets, all laser cut. That's 1/8 is what, 4 mil and 2.5 mil, something like that. That's nice. And your fuselage formers, wingtips. This bone shape, the wings on this model, although it's fully rigged, the wings are designed to detach, and to stop them collapsing at the root end, you put the spars through these and it holds them into the wing position, so it holds the wing squarely. And then there's a little little box that was protecting the cowl, but I can't get it all back in, so that's why I left the cowl out. So some rather lovely pieces in here. I'm going to download the instructions online, and as usual with me, I usually start with the fuselage, then the tail feathers, and then the wings. So that's the order I shall assemble it in. Have a quick look at the plan. The picture on the front of the box, what I was trying to describe to you just now with the wing. If you'll be able to see this. So the kit is available from the UK distributors, that's Model Shop Leeds, and I'll link to their page in the description. So looking at the plans, two huge bits of paper, very basic wing construction, looks very solid, very easy to assemble, nothing difficult about them whatsoever. Be the bottom wing, ailerons on the bottom wing, yeah, very basic. Looking forward to starting that. There's some templates here as well, template for the hatch door, landing gear fairing templates, cabin door back, which you cut out of aluminium with scissors. So that's nice. Full-size plans for the wings and tail. Don't need full-size plans for the fuselage because it's being laser cut, it just assembles itself. So I might well trace around the formers just in case I break something, but it shows the 4-stroke engine in place. Say mine will be electric. Obviously this isn't to scale, this is half size, there you go. So the fuselage is actually that long. Yeah, there it is. Details of the landing gear, how it all goes together, and hopefully it'll say in English on the instructions. So there we are. It's quite a lovely kit. They're not particularly cheap, but they do build into rather stunning models, and if you're a builder who likes to build laser kits anyway, it's an easy build, isn't it? So I'm going to be filming this like I normally do, 1 episode a week. Might miss the odd week here and there, but I was trying to stick to 1 episode a week, and we'll see how it comes together. Should have it flying within about 3 weeks if I don't sleep and I get help in. All those little bits look fun, don't they? All those little nuts and bolts. But we'll see how it all goes together. So it looks a lovely kit. Can't wait to start. It's going to be a beautiful addition to the hangar. All my planes around me. Have to find some space for it, but this is going to be something else. A lovely scale model. And I have actually flown a Tiger Moth. There's one about 50-60 miles from me that do flights in the evenings. You know, you can book a flight and go up, and I've got a video of that on my website actually, Tiger Moth flight. And apart from the takeoff where the owner took off, I flew it. Beautiful, lovely light controls, finger and thumb on the stick, 1941 Tiger Moth. So yeah, I love the Tiger Moth. Who doesn't love a de Havilland anyway? So yeah, so follow along and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. A lot of you aren't subscribed, but you love watching my videos, so I'd love you to subscribe, and it shows support for the channel. So look out for part 1 of the build, and we'll get stuck in. Cheers guys. I hope it's recorded this time. If it hasn't, I should be going through.